是不是要把手动拿起来？
对啊，还要看你嘴型啊。
等一年的多一点。好，OK，请开始。
I can't believe I still have find the right backpack.
继续指定下去，对吧？
Maybe what I want just doesn't exist.
Don't be so negative. Let's look around a bit more. This one might fit the bill. What do you think?
It looks sturdy enough for sure, and I like the shape and color, but I can't tell if it has a laptop compartment.
Let's go in and find out.
May I see the backpack? That's in the window.
Of course, let me get it for you. As you can see, it comes with special compartment for storing your laptop, wallet, charger, and water bottle.
That's exactly what you were looking for.
And ample space for my textbook and the notebook too. How much is it?
The price is $55.
That sounds reasonable. I will take it.
我手软。